Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit journal entry here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your Zoho Books account, and once logged in, you'll be landed in your dashboard. Okay, once you're in here, just go to the left panel, and here we have the accountant section or module. So click on it, and here we have manual journals. Okay, but if you want as well, you can go ahead and edit the recurring journals if you have data in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select manual journals. Now, in here, you'll have a list of all of your journals, okay? And the status here as well. So what you'll do is just go ahead and select one, click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, review everything right here, make sure that it is the journal that you wanted to edit, okay? And once you're sure, you can go ahead over to the top left. You have the edit button right here with a pencil icon. So just click on it, change the date if you want to, the journal number, the reference number, the notes, like so, reporting method, the currency, the amount, or the accounts right here, the description, everything. You can go ahead and edit everything right here. And here we have the difference, okay? Attachments, upload some attachments if you want to. And then once that's done, just click on save right here. And it says here the journal entry has been updated, okay? Well, you're good to go. And if you want to delete it, by the way, you can click on three dots, hit on delete right here, and you'll be good to go as well. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.